Hello, good morning. This is Naz from NV Network Lessons. Hope everyone's doing okay and having a fantastic morning. Quote of the day today is that you cannot attain perfection by chasing it. However, you can attain excellence by chasing perfection. Think about that. Today, date is September 7th, 2024, and this is geometry lesson number 1. And in this lesson, what we're going to do is we're going to discuss angles. This course or this topic is basically designed for students who are just starting geometry, high school students, and anybody who wants to learn geometry is more than welcome to watch it. Thank you for joining. So we're going to discuss angle. What is an angle? Okay. So the classic definition of angle is basically you measure the distance between two rays. Okay. Let's pretend this is a ray and this is a ray. So the distance or the angle between them, the measurement between them is basically an angle. So let's go ahead and see if I can draw some. Let's say if I draw something like this, I'm not a good artist, but I'll do my best. So let's call this point A, call this point B, all right, and then call this point C. So the classic definition is for an angle is how far these two rays are open. Okay, let me write this down. So this is the classic definition, how far these two rays are open. So this is the definition, best definition I can think of. You've got an angle. How far are they open? How far are these two rays open? Right? This ray is more open, right? This ray is more open. This ray are closer together. These two rays are further apart, right? And the measurement of how far they're apart is known as angle. Okay. So in this particular case, this point A is called vertex. Okay. Vertex is basically where two rays join each other. So this is vertex. So we've got ray B and ray C joining at this point. So we call this vertex. All right. Let's say, how do you write angle? Okay. For example, I want to write this angle right here. Right here, if I want to write this angle. How would I write that? So the way I would write is that I would say like this, angle B A C. B A C. I can write this as C A B also. C A B also. Okay. Uh, let's see. Let me ask you another one. Draw that in blue for no particular reason. So you've got this right here, this right here, okay, and we have F, call this F, vertex is G, and this is H. So how would you write this angle? Okay, pretty straightforward, just like I showed you earlier. F, G, H. Vertex has to come in the middle, okay? Remember that, F, G, H, or I can write this as H, G, F. I can write this H, G, F. But you notice that the vertex always stays in the middle. In this case also, the vertex, which is A, stays in the middle. Okay. Uh, let's look at another example. So let's say we have something like this. This is a wide, the distance between the two rays is more than the distance between the two rays in this case and in this case and even in this case. So we call this S, we call this P, which is the vertex, and we call this A. So how would you measure the angle? You would say S, P, A, or you can say angle A, P, S. Fair? You notice that the vertex P is always in the middle. Okay. So let me ask you this. Would it be fair if I say this? You write that in red. Would it be fair to say angle S P A is greater than angle, this sign is right here, greater than sign F G H? Okay. So I'm talking about, I'm saying that this angle right here, okay, measurement between these two rays is more than the measurement between these two rays. That's pretty obvious, pretty visible. I can tell by just looking at it, yeah, the distance between these two rays is more than this. And that is exactly what I wrote. This right sign is greater than, okay, greater than, and then this sign right here is less than. So you have to remember that, okay? And then there is another something also called this sign right here, and then a line below that is greater than or equal to. All right. And then the same thing, if you have something like this, that's less than or equal to. Okay. So just the tangent, just to let you know what these means. I'm going to come back in lesson number 2, and we're going to discuss the unit of measurement of angle, and we'll basically find out, um, just to give you a teaser, unit of angle is degrees. I'm pretty sure that everybody knows that, but where it came from, okay, that is going to be in next topic. So stay tuned. I'll be back, and we're going to go ahead and dive into lesson 2. Take care of yourself till then. I'll see you.